എൻട്രൻസ് ആണ്.
ഓടിപ്പോയി എടുത്ത്
പ്രത്യേകം പറയുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
എന്താ
അത് അവര് പൂജിച്ചു.
Hi.
And one of them is the beautiful bird which is native to Borneo Island of Indonesia. Jadi Indonesia memiliki berbagai jenis burung yang indah dan salah satunya adalah burung endemik dari Pulau Kalimantan. And everyone now please welcome onto the stage Satria, our magnificent red hornbills. Kita ada Satria, seekor burung jelang emas jantan. When the nesting season comes, the female will lose the feathers. That's why they cannot fly to find the food, and they only wait for the male to give them food. Jadi ketika musim bersarang tiba, bulu dari burung julang emas yang betina akan banyak yang rontok. Maka dari itu mereka tidak bisa terbang untuk mencari makanan. Jadi mereka hanya mengandalkan kiriman makanan dari si pejantan. Okay, everyone, once again, could you please big applause for Satria? Thank you, Satria. And everyone, now we would like to invite one adult participant to join with us and get a closer experience with the bird. Please raise your hand. Okay, I need one adult participant. Must be an adult. Yay, the most exciting one. Okay, yes, you saw at the back. Yeah, with hat. Hello, good morning. How are you? Fine. Could you please stand up right here and facing to the audience? Okay, may I know your name? Where do you come from? Everyone here, we have Mr. Mulia from Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay, sir, later the bird will come to you, and the thing that you have to do, please put your right hand to the front like this. Okay, only your right hand. When the bird lands on your arm, move it slowly to the right. You got it? And for your own safety, please don't look at the bird. Are you ready for that? Okay, you can put your right hand down first. I will tell you later. Just put it down. And everyone, now let's see what kind of bird that we are going to show you now. And this bird name is Bingo. Let's call his name together. Bingo. Bingo. Very sad. Well, oh, look at that. We have Bingo, our magnificent red hornbill. Okay, are you ready, Bingo? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good job, Bingo. Move it slowly to the right. Bisa gerakkan tangannya perlahan ke kanan, ya. Okay, and facing to the audience. How does it feel? Do you like it? Yes. Is that heavy? Little bit? Okay, and could you please hold this bird until the end of the show? Bisa tolong pegang sampai show-nya berakhir mungkin? Jangan ya, oke. Bingo, katanya jangan, Bingo. Oke, saatnya pulang ini, Bingo. Tapi Bingo kayaknya suka di sini ya. I think he loves to stay here, everyone. Okay, everyone, once again, please give applause for Bingo, our participant. Terima kasih banyak, Pak. Bisa kembali ke tempat duduknya. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the other members of Hornbill's family onto the stage. And right here you can see the difference between the male and the female, which is the male with a yellow pouch under its beak and the female with a blue pouch. Jadi di sini Anda bisa lihat ya bedanya yang jantan dengan yang betina. Kalau yang jantan kantung lehernya berwarna kuning, sedangkan betina kantung lehernya berwarna biru. Besides of eating fruit, these red hornbills also find another source of food, like insects around the forest. And this bird, they cannot swallow the food from the tip of their beak because their tongue are too short. That's why they have to move the head backward to swallow the food. Jadi burung jelo emas ini tidak bisa menelan makanan mereka secara langsung dari paruhnya, karena mereka memiliki lidah yang sangat pendek. Jadi mereka harus menggerakkan kepalanya ke belakang untuk menelan makanan mereka. Dan selain memakan buah-buahan, mereka juga memakan serangga kecil yang berterbangan di alam liar. And they are the sacred bird in Borneo Island of Indonesia because this bird are considered can deliver a message from the spirit of the ancestor. Oleh karena ini sangat disakralkan ya di Borneo karena dipercaya dapat mengirimkan pesan dari arwah nenek moyang mereka. Everyone, now we will show you how this beautiful bird catch the food. Okay, birdie, you have to watch it carefully. Here we go, and catch it. Wow, very fast. One more time, birdie. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and catch it. So everyone, once again, please big applause for our Hornbills family. Ladies and gentlemen, while we are on birds, we know that birds come from an egg. But birds are not the only creatures that come from eggs. Reptiles also come from eggs. And like the reptile we have here at the park, they all lay eggs. Here we have an ostrich egg. We use this ostrich egg just for demonstration. Although most snakes lay eggs, some do give birth to the live young. Incubation takes between 1 until 3 months. When the baby snakes are ready to hatch, they will make a slit to send their egg to, and it will come out of the egg like so.
Snake.
Here we have Jerry. Jerry is our corn snake, and corn snake that can be found in southeastern and central of America. It is called corn snake because it usually can be found in the cornfields. Di sini kita ada Jerry, seekor ular jagung yang berasal dari Amerika. Mereka dikatakan ular jagung karena mereka memang biasanya ditemukan di perkebunan jagung. In contrast to the corn snake, we have the special guest for you today. And now, please welcome Marcel, our beautiful python. There are many types of python that can be found in Indonesia, including rock python and reticulated python. Reticulated python is the longest snake in the world. They can reach up to 10 meters in length, and they can weigh over 120 kilograms. They feed on a variety of small to medium size of mammals and also birds. Ada berbagai jenis ular yang bisa ditemukan di Indonesia, termasuk sanca batik dan sanca bodo. Sanca batik adalah ular terpanjang di dunia, dengan panjang bisa mencapai hingga 10 meter dan berat hingga 120 kg. Hey everyone, so now please welcome Marcel, our beautiful python, onto the stage. Snakes have both fascinated and frightened men. They have been thought to be slimy, dangerous, and unfriendly creatures. But too often they are misunderstood. They actually have a very smooth skin. And hopefully by the end of this presentation, these beautiful creatures can be a friend too. Once again, thank you so much for Marcel and Jerry, our beautiful snakes. Thank you. Indonesian rainforest is the home to many endangered animals, and one of the most fascinating is mammals. And now we would like to introduce to you two Indonesian native mammals, and the first one is very unique, unlike anything that you have seen before. So now, please welcome the binturong onto the stage. Asian bear cat. But in fact, they are neither a bear nor a cat. They are the largest cat in the world that possess a fully prehensile tail, as they use like an extra arm when they are climbing up or climbing down the tree. Di sini kita ada binturong ya, dan binturong ini merupakan musang yang paling besar di dunia. Dan untuk di Indonesia sendiri biasanya mereka dikenal dengan nama musang pandan, karena mereka memang memiliki aroma yang mirip sekali seperti daun pandan. And right here we have a couple of binturong. Over there we have the male, his name is Bin Bin, and one more we have Rosie, the female. So in Indonesia, binturong they can be found in the island of Java, Sumatra, and also Borneo. Nah, jadi kalau untuk di Indonesia sendiri, binturong ini biasanya ditemukan di kawasan Pulau Jawa, Sumatera, dan juga di Borneo. Dan mereka bisa hidup sekitar 20 tahun di lembaga konservasi. Okay, look at that. Now Rosie is trying to climb down. Be careful, Rosie. These animals are nocturnal, which means they're more active at the night and they will take a rest during the day. And this animal in this park, they love to eat banana. Jadi mereka kalau di alam liar, mereka biasanya suka memakan mamalia kecil seperti tikus dan juga beberapa buah. Kalau di sini mereka sukanya pisang. They can stand up like this, everyone. Nah, mereka juga bisa berdiri tegak seperti ini ya. They are very important to the ecosystem as they disperse the seed from the fruit that they eat. Mereka penting sekali ya dalam ekosistem karena biasanya mereka akan menebarkan benih-benih buah ataupun bunga yang mereka makan. Okay, everyone, once again, could you please big applause for Bin Bin and Rosie, our gorgeous binturong. Bye-bye, binturong. Yeah, this animal loves to move very slow like this.